everyone. Good morning, my dear learners. I hope you all are doing well, right? I am Tabassum and welcome all of you to our online education remote learning classes. Subject is English grammar, okay? Class 10th. Today's topic is tenses in English grammar, simple present tense completed. So today we will learn simple past and simple future tense. Let's start.
The simple past tense is the second form of the verb. Its form remains the same for all subjects, irrespective of person and number. It is usually formed by adding d or ed to the base verb, like this. Example, I lived here. They cried when they saw her. In some cases, the base verb might change entirely in the simple past tense, like this. Example, I ate the chocolate. They ate the chocolate. Here, ate is past form. The negative of simple past tense is formed in the following way. Subject plus did not plus base verb, like this. Example, you did not eat. The interrogative of this tense is formed in the following way. Did plus subject plus base form of verb. Okay. Here is the table. Example, did you eat? Question mark. The simple past tense for some irregular verbs like be, have, and do differs depending on the subject. Like this table is here. Example, I was there. You were there. Was and were be form. Some verbs like cut, hit, fit remain the same even in the simple past tense. Like this. For example, you have seen the simple past tense for verbs like get, sit, drink is formed by simply changing the vowel of the verb. Here you can see in the table. Example, get becomes got, replacing O in the simple past tense. And this is clear to you. The simple past tense can be used in the following ways, like to express a habitual action in the past. For example, she walked to the station every day. Next, to express an action that took place over a period of time in the past. It often occurs with adverbs or adverb phrase of time. For example, he finished his work yesterday. Yes, yesterday is adverb phrase of time here. Adverb of time is here yesterday. Okay. To express a series of actions that has taken place. For example, Jill ate her food, washed the dishes, and kept the dishes in the cupboard. Here you can. The simple future tense is used to express an action that will take place in the future. The simple future tense expresses the future as fact. Example, I will be attending Priya's birthday party. It can also be used to talk about actions over which we have no control. Example, schools are going to close because of the heavy rains. We use the going to form to state a future plan or intention. Example, I am going to eat at a restaurant. Going to form. Table is given. Subject, verb be going to. I am going to eat. You are going to eat. He, she is going to eat. We are going to eat. They are going to eat. Okay. The simple future tense can also be used in the following ways, like to describe things that will happen as a regular phenomena or as a habitual thing. Example, the play will be staged every October. To describe the result of some action, example, you will profit from this business venture. To express what one thinks will happen in the future. Example, you will be a great doctor someday. Shall is used in the first person and will is used in the second and third persons to express pure future. However, in modern usage, will is used in all persons. Table, subject, will plus verb. Example, I will eat. Okay. Shall can sometimes be used in second or third person or to express a command, promise or threat. Take a look at these examples usage. Example, you shall complete the project or face the consequences. Threat. This is a threat. You shall check that the car is running properly. It's a command. Next, he shall get a gold star for his work, for his homework. It's a promise. Questions with shall, will are used to ask the will of the person addressed. Shall I got you some water? What shall I wear for the festival? Will has different usage in the simple future tense. Let us look at them in greater detail. Usage. Example, volition. I will accompany you to the hospital. Characteristics, habit. They will swim till the sun goes down. Assumptions, probability. That will be their car. Invitation, request. Example, will you drop by for brunch? If one is unsure about the future, will is used. Example, I think it will be sunny today. Remember, will, uncertain about the future. Then we have to use. Going to, quite certain about the future. I hope all this is clear to you. We have looked at simple present tense, simple past tense, and simple future tense. Let us now read some more examples. She dances in the hall, simple present. They danced in the hall, simple past. You will dance in the hall, simple future. I worked at Everton, simple present. Samuel worked at Everton,